Okay, so we want to segment a client based on his business type. First of all, we create a message, click plus in the right bottom corner, choose message, and click to add message. Choose user input and type your question and the optional answers as well. All the answers we save in a certain customer field. We preliminary created a field, but you can create a new one if you don't have. So now field is called business type, and we click save and close. Next step, according to the answer from our client, we suggest different scenarios of conversation, and here when we start to use conditions, again click plus, choose condition, click all, and add a condition. Choose business type as it was our field where we kept the answers from the client. Okay, and so we match the options we offered to a client in the question with his answer. To do so, you choose contains one or contains local business. So we have two options and two conditions. And in our case, we select any in the match to go on with the flow again. Okay, and we click save and close, and we link the condition with an arrow. And so if the condition works, you add either message or additional condition to yes. If it doesn't work, you put an arrow to the message from no. So that's how the condition works.